Hello my sparkly crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer with A Trace of Sparkle. I have a beautiful box that I can't wait to open that I received yesterday, and I am anxious to open it. It's a beautiful lace journal kit from Georganne and Andi, and they are over at Damsels in Lace Facebook group. So I already looked at the letter. I opened it and it just tells a little bit about what's in there. So I'm gonna get to open this right away. I did peek, but I didn't touch anything. So this is super cute. Now I smell these beautiful, these are dryer sachets, lavender bags. That is so pretty. Or on the carpet, that is very cool. Smells so delicious. Oh, looks so fun. I can't wait to see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and then we can look at it together. Oh, this looks so fun. I'm not sure where I should start. Oh my goodness. Everything is just so pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. And oh, I love the silk ties here. So pretty. And oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, look at that. She sewed that on. Look at that. She sewed that on. Okay. Isn't that, oh my gosh. That fabric is stunning. It is so beautiful. And those doilies are so cute. So let's see. Put that over here. And then I'm gonna start opening. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. I'm gonna try to be very gentle here. Yay, I got it open without breaking it. Oh, let's see what we got in here. Little treasures in here. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Got some die cuts of some florals and some flourishes. And this beautiful dimensional little card here. Isn't that pretty? So cute. And let's see what else we got. Oh, we got some of this. That's fun. Fibers. Okay, let's see. This little bag, and just looking at everything for the first time. Oh my goodness. These are cool little embellishments. Look at that old Christmas tree. Oh, I love little book pages. Love that font. Oh, these are really cool papers. These are some beautiful postcards. Oh, cool, the flat iron. I've seen that in person. My family is, on my mom's side, is from New York. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's see what, 1909. Printed in Germany. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in there. I don't want to lose any of these pieces. those over here and make sure that you're seeing everything. Okay, let's see. We have some book pages in a different language. I love book pages in different languages. And let's see, we have a ledger. Love ledgers, 1944. Their handwriting was so pretty. And let's see, what else do we have here? Ooh, look at this. This is some more book page from a literature book. Oh, that's really cool. I love the patina basically on here. That's so cool. And then we have some music paper. And we have, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Printed in Italy. Is that Italian then? Oh my goodness. That is such beautiful handwriting. And then I have a craft paper here. So I'm going to put all of those goodies back in here. Put it right under here. All right, I'm going to open this rose bag. Ooh, I know you guys are like, come on, hurry up, open that. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, oh, good. This is for wax seals. Oh, I like that bronzy color. So cool. So I bet this is a stamp. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that rose. So pretty. That must be what she used on here. It's like 3D. Yay. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. I love that bag too. Oh, how pretty that is. Okay, let's open this. Oh, I love this seam binding, or not seam binding. Sorry, silk. I love how it's variegated. I need some of this. Yummy. So pretty. Look at the colors. It's so fall, but not in your face. I love that. Okay, let me clean this up here. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this amazing fabric. Oh my God. That is so pretty. It has this gray here, then it goes into like a tan here, or goldy tan there, then it goes back to the gray. You see that? How it variegates there? Oh my gosh. That is a generous piece. How lovely is that? Wow. Love these colors. Look at this. Doesn't that go so good together? Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay. I want to see what's in here. Love that bag. And oh, these are the digitals. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. How romantic. Oh, these are lovely. So soft and pretty. Wow. Love it. Oh, my goodness, I love these florals. Oh, my goodness. 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 I l They're so pretty. Wowzers. Oh, love this one. The harp is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the castle. That gate. Oh, so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Those are so pretty. I'm gonna put the swan on top. That is my favorite. Okay, put that right there. And I know you guys are dying to see what's in here. Okay. That is some beautiful ribbon. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Look at the sparkle on that. Oh my goodness. Oh, breathtaking. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, look at these laces. Those are so pretty. And this one. I do love eyelet lace. I think it's so pretty. This one. Such a pretty shade of pink. It's like a peachy pink almost. Oh, that's really pretty. You see the texture on that? Oh, look at this. That is so cool. I love the mauve color and how dainty. My goodness. Here's some crocheted lace. And this pretty Venice trim. And this one. Is that the right side? Yeah. Pretty. And oh man, this is pretty too. It's kind of like an ivory. Not kind of, it is. It's so delicate. Okay, and this one looks like it was avocado dyed maybe? Pretty. I love the scalloped. And this one. Very pretty. How exciting. This is going to be so fun to create a journal with this. Oh my, I like this a lot. I haven't seen anything like that one. This is nice for some pockets. It's so pretty. And this looks like one of those French laces. Oh my, that's gorgeous. This one. Lots of texture in that, for sure. And this one. Pretty. Oh, this is cool looking. You could make 2 trims out of that if you wanted that to be like a zigzag there. That's pretty. And then you have this one. Looks tea-dyed. Very pretty. Oh, love that. Look at that. looks like it came off something very vintage. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful fabric here. Look at that. Oh my, that's very pretty. Love, love. Oh, these are fun to make some flowers with. Wow, look at that big piece. Oh my goodness, that is some beautiful, beautiful fabric that of course you're gonna wanna make flowers with, and so pretty. Oh, look at this dainty. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Wow, that netted lace. Hold on a minute. I know it's double layered. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. It's so delicate. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh my. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the sparkle on that. Oh my goodness. Look at those beading, and oh man. That is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's so much in here. I mean, just what a stunner. And these fabrics are so yummy. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I had so much fun opening it, and I hope you did too. It was like a little treasure trove full of goodies. I am gonna force myself to make something from this, not just hoard it. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by and taking some time out of your day to say hi, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.